Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can deposit money on Prizepicks. So you basically, guys, what you want to do is click on the bottom left right here, and then you will see the option to add your funds. Okay, you can choose from the different options. You can add funds using a debit or credit card, instant bank transfers by linking a bank account, by PayPal, and also by Apple Pay. So for example, if you choose something like credit or debit card, they'll ask you to enter your deposit amount. You can choose from the pre-populated option right here, or you can enter a custom amount right here. Click on this and enter your custom amount. And then, guys, so you want to enter your card number, your expiration date, CVV code, and the zip code. Okay, the CVV code you will find at the back of your card. The zip code will be provided to you. You want to just go ahead. Once you enter your details, it will automatically recognize whether it's a Visa card, MasterCard, or other cards, for example, Discover or American Express. Then you want to go ahead and click on deposit $100, and then it will ask you to confirm that you actually want to pay with that option. If you're paying with Apple Card, for example, you just want to continue and slide this to the right. Okay, confirm, slide this to the right to actually confirm. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.